I'm going to show you how to automate your savings. So you don't have to do anything and your savings are just flowing in automatically, just like Autopilot. Stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicky Sujadi. I create relatable content for millennials such as personal finance, career topics. So if you like all these kind of topics, do consider subscribing to my channel because that is what this channel is going to be about. Today, I want to show you how to automate your savings. Ooh. Well, you might think, wow, fairly simple, right? Automate, automatic transfer, that's it. Whoa, there is actually quite a few steps before that. So, I want to start off by answering why should you automate your savings? I mean, I can save whenever I want, right? Why do I want to automate it? Well, there are actually a few good reasons why. And here's the first. Savings can sometimes take a lot of willpower, especially when you have to consciously take the savings amount that you want to save every month into your savings account. And you have to do that every month. You have to constantly remind yourself. You have to set a reminder. It takes a bit of willpower. In fact, an American social psychologist named Roy okay, I totally butchered that name, but pretty much what he said is that willpower is like muscle. Willpower is a muscle that becomes fatigued when overused. Basically, his research suggests that willpower is a limited resource and that a lot of successful people doesn't actually rely on willpower, but instead rely on building up these small habits. Successful people develop daily routines and habits such that it becomes automatic and it requires less thought or energy. And yes, savings is one of them. So I'm gonna save this amount, right? You have that willpower, but that willpower can get fatigued, which is why we want to automate that savings so that it becomes a habit, it becomes a less conscious effort. Right, that is the key to automating your savings. And actually a second key point is to actually be able to save before you spend by automating it. And this is what I'm going to be showing you later. If you automate it correctly, you are actually able to just save before you spend. So the prerequisite before you can start automating your savings is to know how much you want to save. And then you also need a savings account, both of which I have an individual video for, so please do check it out. But if you have those already, let's get into it. And the first step is to actually find out when and the frequency of your payday, which is fairly simple. You should probably know about this because you'll be looking forward to the payday, right? And to just give you an example, for me it's every fortnight Tuesday evening. Okay, well, the time doesn't really matter, but I know it's every fortnight Tuesday at these particular dates. And I think for most of you guys, it's a monthly payment at a certain date of the month. So just know what day is it. Maybe Monday, maybe Wednesday. And the second step is to schedule transfer from your salary deposit account to your savings account. Because you have the prerequisite of how much you want to save every single month, or pretty much the same as the percentage of your income that you want to save, you can actually use that amount to schedule the transfer to your savings account the next day. For me, mine is every Tuesday evening fortnightly, right? So I will schedule my transfer on the Wednesday itself every fortnight. Okay, and it's fairly simple. I'm gonna use it with my current bank, and my salary deposit account is Commonwealth Bank, so it's fairly easy to do. Let me just get my phone. So I got my phone. I'm going to show you how you can actually make a scheduled transfer and automate that transfer every single month or every single fortnight. This is a feature that I would say most banks would already have. It's just an unused feature that actually has helped a lot, in my personal opinion, to actually automate your personal savings or even your personal finance. So let's utilize that, and I'll show you how right now. So you want to just pay and transfer, pay someone, it could be, and then pay someone which is to your savings account. So for me, my savings account is with ING, so I give it to ING here. and I just put an amount. Okay, so for example, my savings amount is around $600 or $1,200. Then you just put that amount right here. Description, savings, fortnightly, done. Okay, lack of space. But when you click on the pay, and of course this will be different from different banking apps, but you will see that there is a create of recurring payment, and this is where you actually put in the day after your pay day, right? As I told you, mine is on a Tuesday fortnightly, so I know that it's going to be next week Tuesday, so I can schedule that to 7 days from now. Because now it's a Wednesday, I can just put 7 days from now, which is the 10th of September. And then once I got that fortnightly, and then continue indefinitely, and we just process it. Oh, yep, your scheduled payment will continue indefinitely. Boom, it will confirm. Boom, that's it. Your payment schedule is done. $600 to this savings account every single fortnight for me. And you can do that according to your own individual salary, frequency, and all that. But that is it. That is how simple it is. And the third step, which is, I just put this because I like 3 steps thing. The third step is to just sit back, relax, and just watch the money flow. It really works like magic, to be honest. And I've used this more to actually, not just for my savings, but also for my investment and a few other things that I use for personal finance. And this is actually quite a hack to do your automation, to do just a scheduled transfer here and there to your different accounts that you use for different purposes. But yeah, you can definitely use this for savings, and I highly recommend you try to automate your savings, because to me, when I did this, I really did not even think about doing anything for my savings. I pretty much just look at my savings account in ING and I look, oh wow, it has been increasing, and that's it. There is no willpower involved. There is no every single month I have to remind myself sort of thing. It just do the work by its own. So yeah, do try that out and let me know how it goes in the comment section if you have done it or you have already explored this as well. And yeah, if you find value from this video, please do give a thumbs up. If you like more of these relatable contents about personal finance or career topics, do consider subscribing to my channel. And yeah, share it to your friends if they think that it might be valuable for them too. Anyways, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.